People were coming to our sessions wanting to be creative, wanting to solve problems, but had all these excuses. They might have been fear, they might have been control, they might have been pessimism, something that stopped them or prevented them being creative. And so we realized that there was no point in teaching these sessions on how to be creative unless we were dealing with the actual issues that were personally stopping them. We worked with a neuroscientist and a psychologist to try and see what's going on up here, what's happening in our brain that's blocking us being creative. We're calling them suspects, murder suspects, to be part of the theme. 7 things that we need to deal with if we want to become creative.
CSI can run for small, intimate groups looking for a safe environment to have an honest discussion with actionable outcomes, through to large groups using the session as a diagnostic tool to take a snapshot of the organisation's creative thinking ability.
What I believe you did today was provide our clients those tools to help them become a marketing success.